Hey everyone, how are you doing? If you're new here, I'm Kriscel Tayag and welcome to my channel.
Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wanna walk my lover. You give me feels that you do, no one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer, you're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels that you do, no one can.
In today's video, I want to share to you some makeup hacks. So I just want to tell you my old routine on doing my makeup, especially my foundation. So first makeup that I'm applying on my face is the moisturizer. And then second, after it dries, I will put the primer. And third is the foundation. So all erase. So if you want to have a smooth, radiant, and professional makeup look, then keep on watching. So first to apply is a moisturizer. So I'm using the Origin's Original Skin Matte Finish Moisturizer with Willow Herb. And let's apply. It's very fast to dry and it's super smooth. Of all the moisturizer that I use, this is one of my favorite aside from the Sephora. The white one that I'm using every day. So it's dry already and let's proceed to the number one hack. Before, I'm using primer right away after my moisturizer. So today it's totally different and we will use the translucent powder. So the translucent powder that I'm using is from Laura Mercier. And it's loose setting powder. Here it goes. There's two types of this, one shining shimmery and one the matte finish. So I'm using the brush for the translucent powder. Small amount is enough for our powder. And second hack that I discovered is to put a setting spray after you put the setting powder. Yes, so I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. Just spray 2-3 times on your full face and then let it dry. And then once it's dried, we will proceed to the primer. So I'm using the Too Faced Hangover X Primer. So my skin type is combination, which means drying and at the same time it's oily also. So the moisturizer that I used was matte finish, and then for the primer that I used was water-based, which means it gives glass skin effect on your face. So it's not totally drying or it's not totally matte. Why I chose matte and then moisturizing finish is because, as I said, my skin type is combination, which means part of my face have drying area and then part of my face, especially the T-zone, is oily. So that's why I chose these two, so it's balanced. And then finally, we can proceed to the foundation. So any foundation will do. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris 24-hour matte cover in the shade of 110 Rose Vanilla. So it's summer here and that's why I chose the matte finish, because I don't want to feel or to look oily the whole day, because outside the temperature will be like 35 to 40 degrees high. So that's why I am choosing always the matte finish whenever it's summer season here. So just use a beauty blender or sponge or whatever you have tool, and then just dump it and put it directly in your face. So let's see the difference between without foundation and with foundation. It looks smooth on the face and it looks professionally made. I just noticed on this part of my eyebrows is just little drying, and I don't know, I'm not sure, maybe it's the product that I used. And the dark spots was hide, so you cannot see most of my dark spots here, only just this one, because this one is little bit big and it cannot hide more than this. So there you go, this is my look for my radiant and smooth finish skin. I will just finish the rest of my makeup and I will be back for the final look. So there you have it, my everyday makeup look with the twist of the HAVES. For the longevity of the makeup, it is long lasting. So let's see later on, I will do check-ins from time to time and let's see how it looks like. But for now, I will leave and I will see you later on. Bye! Hey everyone! So I'm currently at work and I'm in the washroom. I just want to do some check-ins and checking for my face. So let's remove the mask now and let's see. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, whoa, this is unbelievable. You know, my struggle when using mask is that all my foundation or all my concealer is going into my mask. So right now, I will just show you closer that my foundation is not much transferring. I wanted to show you one sample of my mask that have foundation all over my mask, but once I reach at home, I'm just throwing it in the bin and that's it. Oh my gosh, see? The foundation is only on my nose side, which is the curved one, and that's it. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And also, let's check in my face. See? I will just show you a little bit closer, and yeah, you will see that it's hydrating. It's not on the oily side, still healthy. So yeah, I'm so happy. And you can see that my bronzer and my blush on are still on fleek, are still there, and it didn't remove. You know, I'm sweating right now and it didn't even show that my face is very oily. With regards to the texture, it's very smooth. You can see that no marks, no dark spots are showing right now. Yeah. So it's currently 1:46 p.m. right here. It's been 4 hours. I will be back later for the last check-in. Probably I will be at home that time. So bye, see you. And I am back. So this is my last check-in for today. And it's currently 7:40 in the evening. And it's been like 6 hours from the last time that I do the check-in in the office. That time was 1:46 and right now it's 7:40. So in total, I'm wearing my makeup for 10 hours. I never did touch-ups, blotting, and this is what it is from the time that I left from my home. So I just want to tell you that this hack is unbelievable and amazing. Looks radiant and at the same time it looks smooth as well. So I will zoom in to see all the areas. So I'm using my eyeglasses because I have poor eyesight. So that's why I have here like little marks that the foundation is going away. Just because it's hot right now and I'm sweating. But other than that, all are perfect. I still have the bronzer here and I still have the blush here. And when it comes to my eyebrows, it's still there, it's still complete. So I'm so satisfied on what I did and I will do it from now on. It's little bit pricey, yes, because before I'm just using moisturizer and then primer and then foundation, but now I added setting powder and setting spray, which I don't use much because I feel like it will be sticky and oily, but no. I am totally wrong that I feel like it will be sticky and oily, but it's not. It still looks fresh and matte and I did not see any wipe out. I will try to wipe it and see. So I did not see any even the oily on my face. So yeah, there you have it. So I hope you will try this and you will see it for yourself. Thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye, be good.